Good
Uh,
morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm doing good. How are you?
I'm very good, thank you. How was your exam the other day?
It was good.
Yeah? How long do
Yeah.
you have to wait until you get results?
Uh, I think we will get the results by the end of this month.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
And how many more exams do you have?
No, we are done.
Are you done now?
Yeah, we have
For the
holidays now for a days.
Okay. And so with the whole COVID thing, you can still go into varsity or is it all online?
It's online. We cannot go to the university.
Are you in lockdown?
Yeah, we are in lockdown now.
Yeah. I thought so because it's quite hectic. It's like bad in that country.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. And do you know if the government is getting the vaccines and stuff?
Yeah, they started to vaccinate people, and I think they are vaccinating the from now,
Yeah.
and gradually they are, shifting to other people like the common.
Yeah. But it will take a long time because the population
Yeah,
is massive.
yeah, it will take a long time because Indian government in other countries as well.
Oh,
So
okay.
yeah, ironically, they haven't been able to vaccinate all their citizens, but they supplied vaccines to our country, and I think our country was the first in the world to vaccinate all the people, like almost all the population in one go.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay. Interesting. Very. So, for you are you a resident of India or just like a student exchange kind of thing?
Uh, just a student action
Yeah.
kind of a thing.
Yeah.
But
So,
we don't need visa to come to India. So we have a very good relationship like between two countries, India and Bhutan. So we don't need visas to come to India. So we can just come with our own citizenship ID. Yeah,
yeah.
and then
And when
yeah.
were you home?
Sorry.
When was the last time you were home?
Uh, I came back 3 to 4 months ago back to India. I went when the COVID started. COVID started to increase. I went
Mhm.
back to my country and then I stayed there for some time. And
Okay.
again, the cases were dropping. So the university circulated a notice saying that the universities will be opening.
Okay.
So they gave the tentative date for the reopening of universities. So we came back, but
Okay.
again, yeah, we came back, and after a few weeks, again the COVID started, skyrocketing, and
Right.
then yeah, again we had to be in hostel.
Yeah. Oh no, man. So, do you live with people or do you live alone?
Sorry,
Do you live with people or do you live alone?
I have one friend. I live with him.
Yeah. Okay, cool. And what is your living situation like? Apartments? Is it like a provided by the university?
Yeah, it's provided by the university. It's a hostel.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So yeah, it's pretty cool. The campus is great. The
Yeah.
campus now we are in, it's like really cool because the it's greenery everywhere.
Oh,
And
love.
then unlike other places in India, like outside this university, it's like everywhere it's like cars and
Yeah.
noise and everything. But here it's like really cool because here we only have trees, and then the compound like campus is really big,
Yeah.
and there are fruit trees, so we can go and pluck mangoes and eat them.
Nice. Nice. It always makes a difference when you're in a good environment, right?
Yeah, exactly,
Yeah.
because it's like really cool to be in such a environment, because we get so fresh to be in such environment rather than being in a environment where there are lots of noise, pollution, and hustle and bustle of people everywhere.
Yeah, exactly. So I was speaking to someone from India the other day, and he was telling me that because a lot of people in India they earn their money from like day to day, and
Hmm.
obviously with COVID they can't be selling their stuff. So like where in your area, do you see it, like if you leave campus, do you see like a decrease in people in the streets?
Now, yes,
Mm.
I think, but still, people sell things outside because from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m., they are allowed to function normally.
Okay,
So,
then you have a curfew?
yeah, and after that, not curfew, but they are not allowed to go out and, function as they used to before.
Yeah, yeah. Sad, huh?
Yeah.
So I see that you have been posting a lot of videos on YouTube.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I have started to post videos.
that's good. That's great. And it's interesting to see. I didn't watch all of them, but it's definitely interesting to see your conversations with other tutors
Uh,
because everything is so different, right?
yeah.
So that's pretty cool to see. And I like to see also that like the views are going up as well. Like so the more,
It's going up. It's gradually picking up.
yeah, which is really, really cool.
Yeah.
And I like the way that you title your videos as well, because that will also that will bring people to, or like if people type it into YouTube, like something like native English
Uh,
speaker, like
yeah.
that can go to the top. So it's
Yeah.
smart.
I researched about that a lot, and then actually searched like native English speakers, and I learned how stuffs like that, and
Right.
I know how to edit and make cool thumbnails as well, but because of the image quality less resolution, like I cannot use that image from the video to make
Right. Right.
merge on the thumbnail. So I just simply made a simple thumbnail.
Right. Okay.
Yeah.
And do you have to, I mean, obviously you ask us as the tutors if you can put the videos up, which is great. Do you
Yeah.
have to ask Cambly as well, or can you, or do you just ask us?
No, we don't have to ask Cambly. We just need to ask to the tutors, and then if they like agree, and if
Right.
they say it's all right, then we can post.
Yeah. I
Yeah,
mean,
but
it makes sense because it's marketing for them, you know, it's like free marketing for them.
yeah, exactly, because they will be like getting
Exactly.
customers.
Exactly.
Students,
Exactly.
yeah.
That's it. So I think that you've pulled up another lesson, but it wasn't you, right?
No, yeah.
No.
I think it was saved, and like I didn't remove that, so it's like coming in that way.
I wonder if I can like exit the lesson. Oh, there we go.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, cool. So yeah, what are your plans? Like, do you have any weekly goals? Like, do you do journaling? Do you have like a method of organizing your week?
Yeah, I make plans, and accordingly I try to work with the plan. Basically, what I do is that every end of the month, every 30th or 31st of the month, I make my monthly goals. Okay, and I try to like work out on all the goals that I make. For instance, like if I want to lose some weight, then I will like write that how much weight I want to lose, and then I plan and I monitor my like process.
Right, right.
Yeah. What I have been doing is that I have been writing 1,000 words daily since last month, and
1,000 words daily.
1,000 words, and I'm selling my stories to a publisher. They are paying me a good amount of money as well.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
How did
Because
you get into that?
sorry.
How did you get into that? Like, where did the idea come, and like, what are the stories kind of about? I mean, don't give me the whole thing, but just some information.
Yeah. See, like I'm quite good at writing, to be honest. And yeah, I started writing since I was in grade 10, and yeah, I love to write stories, and I have published 2 books on my own.
What?
Yeah.
So cool. And in what language?
It's in English.
Wow.
And yeah, I recently I had published it a few years back. The first book I published a few years back, and then like the marketing was not that good. My publisher was like not that good at marketing, I guess. So I had to terminate the contract with them, and I, knocked at another publisher's door, and then they accepted the book. They read the book and they liked it, and they accepted it, and yeah, I signed contract with them, and they will be giving me royalty, and they gave me some advance.
That is really cool. And how do you even go about finding a publisher? Is it a publisher in your country? Is it an online, international? How does it work?
Yeah, it's the publisher. The publishing house is based in India, Mumbai, but they function internationally. They are going to list the books internationally, and I think they have the international audience who reads the books.
Right.
Yeah. Actually, like I was searching how to publish books online, and then I bumped into their profile. So I contacted them. I emailed them saying that I am a author. I had published it a few years back, but I want to republish the book. Then they told me to send me the 2 sample chapters of my book. So I sent them the 2 sample chapters, and they read it and they liked it, and they said, "Yeah, we are going to publish it, and we can offer you some advance amount to you." So I said that we go with it, and and then my second book as well. So I sent them the second book as well, and they said we are going to commission this too. So they are
That's exciting.
Yeah, and I have submitted 2 stories as of now, and I have 2 stories. So my weekly goal is I at least complete 1 story consisting of 10,000 words.
Okay.
So basically, I write 1,000 words in a day, but sometimes I try to write 1,500 to 2,000 words and make at least 10,000 words in a week, because it's like series in a episode manner.
Okay, got it.
So each story has to be 10 episodes.
So is it fiction or non-fiction writing?
It's fiction. It's fiction, contemporary. Like I write about romance and stuff.
Nice.
Yeah.
Very cool, man.
Yeah.
And so let's say if you don't write 10,000 words a week or 1,000 words a day because of things that happen in life, how do you hold yourself accountable?
I try to, sometimes if I get busy with something, I try to manage on the other day. Like for instance, if I had exams a few days ago, right? I had exams from Monday to Wednesday or something, and then I couldn't write much during those days. But I wrote more on Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and like today I will complete a story, because whatever I cannot write on other days, I will try to compensate those words like on other days,
to try and like make up for it.
Yeah, make up for it. Yeah.
Got it. And do you use a journal or a bullet journal to like organize your time and your thoughts and stuff?
Not exactly journal, but I do write in a sheet of paper whatever I want to accomplish in a month, and then I paste it somewhere that I can see every single day when I wake up.
Okay. And have you heard of a bullet journal? Bullet journaling.
I heard about it, but I haven't written I haven't written in a bullet journal, but I know how we write in it.
Right. It is. I recently started doing it, and I use the same format. There's like one specific format, and it's just. I promise you, it is so, because I'm the same. I put all of my stuff everywhere, and then it doesn't work for my brain. Yeah. And now like everything is there, and I can see my whole week planned out, my goals, my to-do list, my things that I'm grateful for, like my habit tracker to see if I'm on track with all of, and it's really, really, like you should check some YouTube videos. It's really, really cool. Like, I don't know, maybe it would work for you, maybe it wouldn't. But because you have so much going on in your life that I feel like you could benefit from this book journal.
Yeah.
Yeah. So have a look.
We are running out of time.
I hope you have a great Sunday.
Okay, have a great Sunday night.
Bye.
Bye.